Good morning, dear students. You are watching EduStar online class for grade 4. I am your English teacher, Malati. In the last video, we revised from our literature reader book, Lesson.1, How the Camel Got His Hump. Today, we will revise from our grammar book, Lesson.1, the sentence. Let me recall in short. We know that with the help of letters, we make words. And with group of words, we make sentence. Now tell me, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. In other words, a sentence is a group of words and it has 3 important characteristics. Let us see them. Firstly, it expresses a complete thought or idea. For example, blue sky is the. This is a group of words, but does it convey a meaning? No. So, it is not a sentence. Now, when we rearrange the same words, we can get a meaningful sentence. The sky is blue. Now we get to know about the color of the sky from the sentence. As it is conveying a meaning, it is a sentence. Second important characteristic of a sentence is that it must have a subject and a verb. For example, the boy is playing. Here about whom we are talking? About the boy. So he is the subject. What is he doing? Playing. So this sentence has a subject and a verb, and hence it is a complete sentence. Now sometimes subject is not given, but it is understandable. For example, put the book there. Here the subject is not given, but you is implied subject here and the verb is put. So, this is also a complete sentence. Third, and the most important characteristics of a sentence is that the meaning of any sentence may be different based on different expressions. Now, this expression may be of a statement, a question, a command, or an exclamation. Based on different meanings or thoughts, sentences are mainly divided into 4 types. First, declarative sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. And fourth, exclamatory sentences. Let us understand each of them. First, declarative sentences. Declarative sentences tell us information about anything and they end with a period or, as you say, full stop. For example, a dog is man's best friend. Here, we are telling an information based on experiences that the dog is always a best friend of man. The sandwich is very tasty. Here, we are telling the information about the taste of the sandwich. She is a beautiful girl. Here, we are defining or informing the beauty of girl. Note here that all these sentences end with a full stop. So, from this we can say that declarative sentences are statements that tells information or ideas and they end in a full stop. Let us go to the next type of sentence, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are used to ask a question and they end with a question mark. We use words like who, what, when, where, how, why to ask a question. For example, who are you? Where is my book? How are you? Or sometimes we can also ask questions like, will you be my friend? Here, you might have noted that all these sentences end with a question mark. So, from these examples, we can say that interrogative sentences ask questions and they end in a question mark. Now, let us look into the next type of sentence, imperative sentences. Imperative sentence gives command or ask for request and end with full stop or exclamation mark depending upon how forcefully we say any sentence. When a sentence is spoken more forcefully, an exclamation mark is used. Otherwise, a full stop is used. For example, put the key in the drawer. Wait for me. Please leave your footwear outside. Here you can see that imperative sentences can end with a full stop or exclamation mark. Thus, from the above examples, we can say that imperative sentences give orders or advice or make request and it can end with a full stop or exclamation mark. Let us look into the final type of sentence, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are used to express strong emotions or feelings and they end with an exclamation mark. When you are surprised or when you are happy or when you are angry, you use exclamation to express your emotion. For example, that is a huge fish. Here, you are expressing our emotion of surprise after seeing the size of fish. What a beautiful day! Here, we are expressing our emotion of happiness after having a very nice day. He is such a nice boy. Here, we are expressing our emotion of satisfaction after meeting a very nice boy. Thus, from these examples, we can say that exclamatory sentences show strong feelings and emotions and they always end in an exclamation mark. So now I hope you all know what is a sentence and the types of sentences. Now let us see about positive and negative sentences. Positive sentence is a sentence that states things positively and believed to be a fact. For example, Das is a happy person. Here you can see that it tells something positive about the person Das. The clouds were blocking the sun's rays. Here this sentence tells us about the fact which is happening. Next is negative sentences. A negative sentence is a sentence that states that something is false. We form negative sentence by adding not after the helping verbs am, is, are, was and were. Now let us take the same positive sentences for example. Das is a happy person. To make this sentence false, we add not. Now read this sentence. Das is not a happy person. You might have noted that we add not after the helping verb is. The clouds were blocking the sun's rays. Now read this sentence. The clouds were not blocking the sun's rays. To make the sentence negative, we added not after the helping verb were. Based on this lesson, I have prepared a worksheet for you. Write in an A4 sized paper with question as well as answer and send through email. As usual, write the heading as you see in the screen. Roman letter 1. Using the letter S, complete the word pyramid. Here, you have to start from 2-letter word to 7-letter word. Second Roman letter, arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Third Roman letter, match and make sentences. Fourth Roman letter, complete the words with TER or TOR. Fifth Roman letter, rearrange the words to form sentences. Sixth Roman letter, write a homophone for each word. Homophone means words with different spellings and meanings but has same pronunciation. For example, bean, bean. Here we pronounce both the words as the same but they differ in spelling and meaning. In the same way, find out the homophone for these words. I have given hint to make it easier for you. Seventh Roman letter. Write the correct punctuation to complete the sentence. Eighth Roman letter. Find and write the type of sentence. Ninth Roman letter. Change the sentences as directed. Okay dears, that's all for today. Complete the worksheet and try to send before the next video. Now, it's time to check the answers for the first worksheet. See you in the next session. Bye.